Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add AliExpress products into your Shopify store. So first of all you have to do is sign into your Shopify store and go to the admin page and click on Add Apps. Now from here you have to go to the Shopify App Store by clicking here. A new tab will open. On the search bar you have to type in CJ Dropshipping. You will see on the search result, click on CJ Dropshipping. Now simply you have to click on Install. Again a new tab will open. From here what you have to do is click on Install once again. Now CJ Dropshipping app is installed. Now you do not have any CJ Dropshipping account, so what I will do, I will click on register here, click on confirm. Either I can sign in with my Google account or just set up with my email address manually. So I will select my Google account. Now I have successfully created an account with CJ Dropshipping and automatically CJ Dropshipping website will open. I will allow for the notifications. Now I will click on no thanks. Now from here what I will do, I will click on AliExpress. Now if you already have a store, please connect it to gain more service. Connect my store, click on Shopify. I will connect my Shopify store, click on authorize, click on open. I will click on authorize once again and I will confirm. As you can see, authorization success. I will close the window. Now what I will do, I will simply click on dropshipping.com once again. I will land on this page. No thanks. Now we are on the AliExpress page. Now from here I have to select any product from this page. For example, if I want to select this product, as you can see it's a room heater and it's currently priced at $19. What I will do, I will scroll down just a bit and I will click list here. As you can see, the title has been fetched automatically. I can select the product type. I will type in heater or maybe room heater. I will add the product type and I will simply click on list now. Now from here I have to go to the pricing section. I can also add this category to my tags. From here I will go to the variant pricing. As you can see, I have some options. I can also click on recommended listing price and all the pricing will be listed automatically. I don't have to do anything. So I will simply click on listed now. Listing in progress. At the meantime, you can also find more products or you can just wait. Once you're done, it will show you listed successfully. I can also click it, view it in store. A new tab will open. As you can see, my Shopify store has opened now. All the videos, all the media has been fetched automatically. The description, each and everything has been listed. Once I'm done, I will simply click on save. As you can see, my product has been saved. If I go to my products, this is the only product I have just added just right now. As you can see, the inventory in stock for 8 variants, each and everything has been fetched automatically. And that's how you can connect your Shopify with AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.